Good morning. We want to see this prose today on saying please by A.G. Gardner. A.G. Gardner writes in a humorous style and his essays are very famous. In this essay, he throws a light on the importance of manners. Of course, good manners. He wants to tell us that we should have courtesy. Courtesy means saujanya, good behavior. So, this essay on saying please throws light on the importance of simple words. When we are everyday moving in the society, we should use the words like please or thank you. What you have to pay for this is nothing, but what you earn from this is a very great deed. So, see how he deals with this essay. He says, and it is true too, that man is a social animal. So, man wants to move in the society, man needs to move in the society. It is one of his mental needs. He cannot be alone. So, when man moves in the society, if he has good manners, he will sweeten the atmosphere around him. The atmosphere around him will be cheerful. And if not, then he will give rise to angry atmosphere, or you can say he will pollute the atmosphere. So if good manners are there, they will sweeten the atmosphere. If bad manners are there, they will pollute the atmosphere. And so through this essay, he advises us to say please or thank you. So let's go to the lesson. We shall have a look at the first paragraph, which starts with a liftman. Of course, a liftman in a city office. What happened? One day, a man, you can say a passenger, he wanted to enter the lift. Now lift, you know, with the lift we go from the lower floors to the higher floors or come down. Lift is an important part of city life. So, one man wanted to go inside the lift. Now the liftman was there. The liftman is there to help the people who want to go up or who want to go down. ज्यांना लिफ्टनी वरच्या मजल्यावर जायचं आहे किंवा वरून खालच्या मजल्यावर यायचं आहे त्यांना हा लिफ्टमन मदत करतो लिफ्ट ऑपरेट करण्यासाठी. So this liftman, when he saw that the passenger came in, he heard the words of the passenger. What were the words? Top. काय म्हणाला तो? Top. Only one word. What is the idea conveyed by it? I want to go to the top. मला टॉपला जायचं आहे. This is what he said. Here, the liftman, he was hurt. He felt insulted. त्याला वाटलं आपला इन्सल्ट झाला लिफ्टमनला. Why? What was the expectation of the liftman? He expected that the passenger should say, "Stop, please." काय अपेक्षा होती त्याला फक्त? त्यांनी "Stop, please" म्हणावं. Now the passenger did not say like that. And so the liftman, he felt insulted, he was angry, and what did he do? He threw the passenger out of the lift. त्याने त्या पॅसेंजरला बाहेर ढकलून दिला. So A.G. Gardner says that what is, if you look at the behavior of liftman, you will say that it is full of discourtesy. He has no courtesy. He has bad manners. Why did he say so? In fact, the passenger also is discourteous. He should have also said, please, but both of them, you see, are not obeying the manners. The next part of this first paragraph is composed by H.G. Gardiner like this. He says, are there any rules to say that you should say please? तुम्ही प्लीज म्हटलंच पाहिजे, याचे काही रूल्स आहेत का? नॉट एट ऑल. देर इज नो लॉ अगेन्स्ट डिस्कर्सी. देर इज नो लेजिस्लेशन. लॉ म्हणजेच लेजिस्लेशन, अनदर वर्ड फॉर इट. देर इज नो लेजिस्लेशन, देर आर नो लॉज अगेन्स्ट discourtesy. Suppose a burglar comes to your home at night. What is the meaning of burglar? दरोडेखोर घरफोड्या करतो सांगून, he is called a burglar. So suppose the burglar enters your home. What will you do? You will oppose him. Maybe you will fight. Maybe you will attack him. And if you attack a burglar, and suppose the case goes to law, what will law do? Law will free you. तुमच्यावर कायदा कारवाई करेल का तुम्ही दरोडेखोराला मारलं म्हणून? No. Law will free you from any kind of legislation which will be filed against you if you hit a burglar who has entered your home. But if the people don't have manners, can you box people's ears? See here, a different term is used to box people's ears. Box means, this is boxing. So can you box people ear? No. If you do so, there will be the gutters flowing with blood. So this is not possible in today's life. Our fist would never be idle and the gutters will be full of blood. So this is the first paragraph where he is giving the example of a liftman and a passenger. The liftman expected, top please. The passenger said only top. The liftman felt insulted. So such type of incidents, they often happen around us, and we should be aware that we should not be discourteous. Though there is no law against discourtesy, we should be aware to obey good manners throughout our life. The second paragraph now, the writer goes on like this, that suppose I am uncivil, or I am boorish, or I am haughty. Now see the meanings of this word. Haughty means too proud, garvishta. Then boorish is given at the top, right hand side. Rude, or you can say uncultured, asanskrit, जंगली, उद्धट. and uncivil. Civil म्हणजे जो नागरिकासारखा, चांगल्या नागरिकासारखा वागतो. Civil. Uncivil means same, rude or uncultured. So if I am means if you are, if anyone is uncivil or boorish or haughty, there is no penalty to pay except the penalty of being written down or being recognized as a bad fellow. What will people say? You are a bad fellow. Is there any other penalty by law? You don't say please. You don't say thank you. Is law going to punish you? कायदा आपल्याला तुरुंगात टाकणार आहे का आपण जर असे राहिलो तर? नो. बट व्हॉट विल हॅपन? सोसायटी शिक्कामोर्तब करेल आपल्यावर. काय? की हा माणूस उद्धट आहे. ही इज अ व्हेरी बॅड फेलो. अँड मॅन थ्रू आउट हिज लाईफ wants that people should call him a good citizen. So, these things need to be avoided. The poet goes further that some people's sensibilities you can go as you like. For example, you can dye your hair or you can wax your mustaches. Or you can have ringlets. Ringlet म्हणजे तुमचे केस कर्ल करून पाठीमागे तुम्ही सोडू शकता. So this is the freedom which is given to you, and you can go to you can do all these things. I shall not wax my mustaches or dye my hair or wear ringlets down my back. He says, no, law will not compel you like this. Means you are free to do all these things. But here a very different term is used, that is laceration of our feelings. See, he says as a case for compensation. Now what happens? If somebody doesn't say please, what happens? You are hurt. This laceration means it is a cut, or you can say tear. आपल्याला जखम झाली, एखादं काही कापल्या गेलं तर some part is cut, that is called laceration. This is a medical term, laceration. Now आता भाषा बघा गार्डिनरची, तो काय म्हणतो? laceration of our feelings. Feelings म्हणजे भावना, emotions. So, if a burglar comes to your home, law will protect you if you oppose. But if somebody doesn't say please or thank you, or somebody is bad mannered, then what is the compensation for laceration of our feelings? काय कट झालंय? काय हर्ट झालंय? आपल्या भावना हर्ट झाल्या. अँड व्हॉट इज कम्पेन्सेशन? नुकसान भरपाई. भावनांची भरपाई होऊ शकते का कधी? नेव्हर. दॅट इज द थीम ऑफ द सेकंड पॅरेग्राफ ऑफ द लेसन. देर इज नो अलाउन्स फॉर मॉरल डॅमेज और इंटेलेक्चुअल डॅमेज. Very meaningful words are used by A.G. Gardiner here. Damage म्हणजे नुकसान. नुकसान कसं होतं, कसं होऊ शकतं माणसाचं? आपल्याला एक माहित आहे, काही हात कापला, पाय कापला, दॅट इज फिजिकल डॅमेज. मनाला वाईट वाटलं, मेंटल डॅमेज. बुद्धीला वाईट वाटलं, इंटेलेक्चुअल डॅमेज. और what is moral damage? This is the moral damage. It was simply the question of one word, please, but the person doesn't say so. This is the moral damage. So there cannot be compensation if this damage is there in the life in case of anyone.